I changed this condenser motor. Remove those screws right there. Take the screws off all the way around the outside. Lift it up and disconnect the wires from the fan right there. Pull the fan motor out from here. Just like that. Find a nice shady spot to replace your motor, just like under this tree. And get yourself some sandpaper, a wrench, and some PB Blaster. Sand down this shaft right here. Never, ever, ever hit this to try to make it come out. After you've sanded it, hit it with some PB Blaster. Don't use WD-40 for this. WD-40 is a lubricant. You need a penetrant, which is why I use this. Remove that nut right there. Do not lose that nut. You will not find another one. Once you remove the fan blade, now you can remove these four. Mount your new motor there using these nuts. I like to put the nuts and put the original ones back on for strength. Put your wires back into the pipe. Once you get your wires in, you wire it up. Then we're going to check the rotation. Once you verified the rotation, you can mount the motor back in. Turn your power back on. That's how you change your motor. AC Man Heating and Air Conditioning, servicing Fayetteville, North Carolina. Let me fix my hat. Give us a call. Remember, we go beyond.